In the words of former Superior General Father Budi Kleden, SVD during the Liturgy of Thanksgiving at the 19th General Chapter, collaboration is not an option. It is the way to respond to the reality that God has called us and empowered us to participate in His missions. It is in the Spirit that we are gathered for the first joint SVD-PHN District Mission Coordinators and SVD-PHN Mission Partners General Assembly for 3 days from August 4th to 6th, 2024 at the SVD Retreat House in Baguio City. Today is a significant moment for SVD Philippine Northern Province. We have all the members of the SVD family complete, an SVD religious brother, priests, and mission partners from the 5 districts of PHN. We also have secretary and the 3 coordinators of the 4 characteristic dimensions of the SVD. It is a significant moment for SVD-PHN because we are celebrating the 5th anniversary of the SVD-PHN Mission Partners since it was institutionalized on August 4th, 2019. While SVD and lay collaboration existed upon the arrival of the first 2 SVD missionaries in Abra on August 23rd, 1909, it was only in 2019 that this SVD-PHN and Mission Partners collaboration was given a name and a concrete direction. It is a significant moment because our General Assembly during these 3 days with our mission coordinators and mission partners from the different districts may spur a big leap to our partnership, collaboration in mission, fellowship in community, and association in spirituality. With the theme, Your Light Must Shine Before Others, Faithful and Creative Disciples in a Wounded World, we are all invited to work hard as we discuss the PHN Manual for SVD-PHN Mission Partners and create mission action plans for our districts. May this assembly not only be a successful exchange of ideas, but will bring about change and growth in our lives as a people. May the darkness of sin and the night of unbelief vanish before the light of the Word and the Spirit of grace, and may the heart of Jesus live in the hearts of all. Amen.
Teach us, Lord, what we must do. Show us how we must love, how we must serve. Guided by the Spirit, creatively we design, together with our lay partners, our mission for our times. Rooted in the Word, we make our light shine. We toil and build the hopes of a new earth, one in heart and mind, healed and changed by His love. He sets us on fire, we are fully